This particular setting I want us to do can cause harm to our channel or lead to demonetization if you are monetized, if it is not done properly. And this is what I know that a lot of small YouTubers or new YouTubers are going through the same thing now. So which I want us to correct immediately, because some of us might be affected without we knowing. So we need to correct it now, because I just found out recently that this particular setting is actually turned on in my YouTube studio, whereas it's supposed to be turned off. Channel setting is one of the challenge I know that affected me when I was growing this particular channel. It affected me because I don't really know anything about channel setting, not until I watch a particular video. And I know a lot of us small YouTubers or new YouTubers are going through the same thing, because it might be on in your studio without you knowing, or you mistakenly turn it on instead of it to be turned off in your studio, which I know that it has affected a lot of channels. If you feel this video is what you like to watch, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video so that it will get to a lot of people that don't know about this. So now I want us to go to our YouTube studio, because I don't want this video to be too long. Now this is our YouTube studio dashboard. If you are not seeing this, just know that you are not in the right place. You are not in the right place. So now you go to your settings, you click on setting, it will bring you to this place. You click on upload default, it will bring you to this place. Please make sure you check all the necessary settings you know you need to check. If you've not done your settings, just go and watch my videos. You see all the settings there, and please make sure you do them, because I don't want this video to be too long. So now you go to advanced setting, you come to this place, you check all these settings here, which I've said them before in my other videos. You can just go watch them and check them out, and please make sure you do all your settings correctly. So let's go for the main reason of this video. You see this place where it is license, you click on it, it will bring you to the standard YouTube license and Creative Commons attribution. So now let's start with Creative Commons attribution. Mine was in Creative Commons attribution, but after making my research, after watching a video, and I went ahead to make my research, and I found out that it's supposed to be in standard YouTube license. And I corrected immediately, and I said, let me come and make this video. So now, what is Creative Commons attribution? Let's go. Creative Commons license give a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. Now this is telling us that if yours is in Creative Commons attribution, you are telling YouTube that anybody can make use of your videos. Yes, that anybody can make use of your videos. And if those people claim ownership, we know how people can misbehave at times. They can claim ownership of your video, and YouTube is going to send you copyright issues. And they might even tell you to put that video down. You understand? And we don't want the situation whereby you have copyright issues without you knowing, and you go ahead and apply for monetization, and your monetization is being denied. This is just one of the reasons why most of our monetization is being denied, because we don't check all these little settings that is in our YouTube studio. And all these settings that is in our YouTube studio, they are there for reasons. And if you don't make your research, and you go ahead watching videos or different videos, and you go ahead and turn on, some of us we turn off, especially we small YouTubers, please make sure you make your research. I make research of every settings before I implement it on my channel. So if yours is in Creative Commons attribution, please change it to standard YouTube license. Standard YouTube license, you are telling YouTube that this video in this channel, that they are your videos, and you don't grant anybody any permission to make use of your videos. So in case you want to apply for monetization, go back to your YouTube dashboard, click on copyright, that is this button here, then it will bring you to this place. You see channel copyright. So if you have any issues concerning any copyright, it will appear here. You understand? It will appear here. So please, before you apply for monetization, make sure you check this copyright, channel copyright, to check if you have any copyright issues, and please try to rectify it. So please make sure we turn on that setting. If you feel this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and share this video so to get a whole lot of people that don't know about these settings, because the channel might be at risk too. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video, and please comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this setting. Thank you guys. See you on our next video. Bye.